Hey you guys, it's me here. Today I'm going to be doing my top 3 squishies. Excuse any background noises. My mom is on the phone and my dog is, I don't know, whining. So yeah, let's get started. So number 3, I have this Hello Kitty loaf. For number 2, I have this jumbo blush bun. It's super squishy. I love this squishy so much. And for number 1, I have this 3D mango. Look how squishy. I'm just gonna let this thing rise because it's just so squishy. Look how squishy it is. So number 3 was this Hello Kitty loaf. Let's use the toilet. Number 2 is this jumbo blush bun, like y'all. And number 1 is this 3D mango squishy masterpiece. Comment down below if you love squishy. So yeah, bye.